Morning stretch, hip and leg exercises for beginners. Wake up your body and mind with these simple hip and leg exercises, perfect for beginners to kickstart their day. Start with gentle hip circles. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Rotate your hips in a circular motion, loosening up those joints. Next, let's ease into forward lunges. Step forward with one leg, bending both knees to lower your body. Feel the stretch and strength build. Now, for side lunges. This move targets your inner and outer thighs. Step out to the side, bending one knee, then switch. Don't forget squats. With feet hip-width apart, bend your knees, lowering your body as if sitting back. Rise and repeat for toned legs. Glute bridges come next. Lay on your back, knees bent. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Finish with calf raises. Stand up, slowly lift onto your toes, then lower. This simple move strengthens and stretches your calves. Incorporate these exercises into your morning routine for a refreshing start. Your hips and legs will thank you for the attention and care.